Hi guys, welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name is Reancy.
And I'm Gary, and in today's video we're going to teach you 12 words on how to describe people, along with some example phrases to show you how to use them.
If you learned anything from our videos, please drop a like on them as we really appreciate them and it also helps our channel.
Thank you to everyone so far who has subscribed and clicked like on our previous videos. We really appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video right now. The first word to describe someone is angry. So in Bisaya, that is
Suko. Suko.
an example phrase using angry is her sister is angry. So let's translate that to Bisaya now.
Nasuko iyang igsuon nga babae. Nasuko iyang igsuon nga babae.
Her sister is angry. Nasuko iyang igsuon nga babae. Let's take a look at how that phrase is broken down.
Nasuko comes from the root word suko, which means angry, and na is our prefix here, which means the action is in the present tense.
Iyang is the word for her.
Igsuon nga babae means sister.
Her sister is angry.
Nasuko iyang igsuon nga babae.
So the next word we can use to describe people is handsome. In Bisaya, that is
Guapo. Guapo.
handsome, guapo. Let's take a look at the following example. David is handsome.
In Bisaya, we say, si David kay guapo. Si David kay guapo.
Breaking down that phrase, we have si.
Si is our subject marker for a personal noun, which is David.
Kai is used as is in this sentence.
And obviously, guapo is handsome. Si David kay guapo.
David is handsome.
Another way of saying it is to put the adjective first, which is guapo si David.
Both are correct. So we've learned the word for handsome, so now let's learn the word for beautiful.
Guapa. Guapa.
Beautiful is guapa. So an example phrase for beautiful is Lisa is beautiful.
Si Lisa kay guapa. Si Lisa kay guapa.
So we won't break this sentence down because it's identical to the last one. Just remember guys that guapa ending in an A is used for female, guapo, with the O at the end is used for males.
Si Lisa kay guapa or guapa si Lisa.
Lisa is beautiful. How do we say old in Bisaya?
Tigulang or tiguang. Tigulang or tiguang.
So old in Bisaya is two words, guys. It is either tigulang or tiguang. Let's put that word into a phrase now. The phrase we're going to give you is our neighbor is old.
Ang among silingan kay tiguang. Ang among silingan kay tiguang.
Our neighbor is old. Ang among silingan kay tiguang.
Breaking the sentence, we've got ang is our subject marker here. Among means our. Silingan means neighbor. Kay is. And tiguang means old. Ang among silingan kay tiguang.
Our neighbor is old. The opposite of old is young. So that's our next word we're going to teach you. So young in Bisaya is
Batanon. Batanon.
young, batanon. Our next example phrase for you is her nephew is young.
Ang iyang pag-umangkon nga lalaki kay batan-on. Ang iyang pag-umangkon nga lalaki kay batan-on.
Her nephew is young. Ang iyang pag-umangkon nga lalaki kay batan-on. So let's take a look at how this phrase is broken down.
Ang is our subject marker.
Iyang is her.
Pag-umangkon nga lalaki means nephew.
Kai again is used as is in this phrase.
Batan-on means young. Ang iyang pag-umangkon nga lalaki kay batan-on.
Her nephew is young.
The other way of saying it is when we put the adjective first. Batan-on, ang iyang pag-umangkon nga lalaki.
If you're interested in learning the family members guys, we do have 2 videos which we'll link to in the description below, which will teach you immediate family members and extended family members. So check them out if you're interested in them. To describe someone as happy, we can say
Malipayon. Malipayon.
happy in Bisaya is malipayon. So in this phrase we have Bruno is happy.
Si Bruno kay malipayon. Si Bruno kay malipayon.
Bruno is happy. Si Bruno kay malipayon. So let's have a look quickly at how that phrase is broken down. Si is used as a subject marker for the personal noun Bruno. Kai is used as is in this sentence, and malipayon is happy. Alternatively, you can say malipayon si Bruno.
Malipayon si Bruno, which is to use the adjective first.
So we've learned happy. What about if someone is sad? Let's learn sad now. The word we need is
Nagsubo or naguol. Nagsubo, or you can also say naguol.
so sad, nagsubo, naguul.
Using the phrase, we have his mother is sad, which translates to Bisaya as
Ang iyang inahan kay nagsubo o naguul. Ang iyang inahan kay nagsubo or naguul.
his mother is sad, ang iyang inahan kay nagsubo, or you can also say ang iyang inahan kay nagguol.
So let's have a look at how that one's broken down now. Ang is used as a subject marker.
Iyang means her,
Inahan is the word for mother.
kay functions as is in this phrase.
And nagsubo or naguul is used as sad. His mother is sad.
Ang iyang inahan kay nagsubo or nagguol.
Our next descriptive word is tall. In Bisaya, that is
Taas. Taas.
tall, taas.
Putting taas in a phrase, we have
Si ilon kay taas, which means ilon is tall. Si ilon kay taas.
si is our subject marker for a personal noun ilon. Kay obviously is used as is, and taas is tall. Another way of saying this is to start with an adjective. So we have taas si ilon.
Ilon is tall.
Si ilon kay taas or taas si ilon.
To describe a person as short, we can use the Bisaya
Mubo. Mubo.
short, mubo. So let's put mubo in another example sentence.
Inday is short.
Si inday kay mubo. Si inday kay mubo.
Si is our subject marker for personal noun, which is inday, kay is, and mubo is short. Si inday kay mubo.
Inday is short.
Another way of saying it is to start with an adjective. So we have mubo si inday.
Our 10th descriptive word for people is intelligent. In Bisaya that is
hawud or bright. Hawud or bright.
Intelligent, you can use two words, hawud or bright. An example using intelligent is, my friend is intelligent.
Ang akong higala kay hawud or ang akong higala kay bright.
Ang akong higala kay hawud, ang akong higala kay bright.
Breaking down the sentence, we have ang is our subject marker, akong is a possessive pronoun which means my.
We also have a video for possessive pronouns, guys, so if you're interested in learning them, please check the videos in the description below.
Higala is friend,
Kai again is used as is in this phrase.
and hawud or bright means intelligent. Ang akong higala kay hawud or bright.
My friend is intelligent.
Or we can also say the other way around, hawud ang akong higala or bright ang akong higala.
The word for someone who is polite or courteous in Bisaya is
Matinahuron. Matinahuron.
polite or courteous, Matina Huron. Let's take a look at another example. Pablo is polite.
Si Pablo kay matinahuron. Si Pablo kay matinahuron.
Pablo is polite translates as Si Pablo kay Matina Huron. So let's break down that sentence.
Si is our subject marker for Pablo, which is our personal noun. Kay, as we know, is, and matinahuron means polite. Si Pablo kay matinahuron.
Pablo is polite.
Another way of saying it is to start with an adjective. Matinahuron si Pablo.
And our last word to describe someone is ignorant.
Ignorante. Ignorante.
Nice and easy to remember this one. Ignorant is ignorante. So let's put that one in a phrase now. Her son is ignorant.
Ang iyang anak na lalaki kay ignorante. Ang iyang anak na lalaki kay ignorante.
Her son is ignorant. Ang iyang anak na lalaki kay ignorante. So let's have a look at how that phrase is broken down.
Ang is our subject marker. Iyang is used as her in the sentence. Anak na lalaki means son. Kay obviously is. And ignorante means ignorant in English. Ang iyang anak na lalaki kay ignorante.
Her son is ignorant.
Another way of saying it is to start an adjective. Ignorante ang iyang anak na lalaki. So those were the 12 adjectives to describe people. I hope you learned something today. If you want, you can also use your own adjectives and just use the pattern that we have learned today.
If you find these videos helpful, guys, please don't forget to drop a like on them. And if you're new around here, please consider subscribing as well. We really appreciate everyone who does that for us. Our channel's starting to grow. And as always, have a great day and we'll see you in another video.